The McLean Community Center is a really unique facility that is here for the community. And it's a place for people to come together, to connect. It's a place where they can learn, they can enjoy the arts, they can come to civic meetings. It's a place where outside groups are able to have their events. Families have their birthday parties. No one is going to be interested in everything, but there really is something for everyone.
The community center is the linchpin of McLean. When you first moved to McLean, or you didn't know anything about the community center, this was the place to go. It's not a recreation center, it's a cultural and arts center.
McLean Community Center has always been the center of McLean.
It's a community for family. It's an opportunity to grow.
That's the most important thing. We grow as a community.
As a kid who grew up here, I now want to raise my kids here.
It's essential. It brings everybody together and gives us a sense of community.
It's a great cultural resource. There's such a wide range of events, educational opportunities.
We really are the center of the community. We're the ones that put on all of these amazing programs. A lot of our success is due to our amazing staff. I mean, these people work round the clock to bring these amazing events to us, so I'm really appreciative of that.
Recreation doesn't have a face, and it's very important that everyone can have fun and enjoy everything.
It just feels like a center that can kind of take on anything.
The environment, the vibes, like the kids come in with good energy. The management from like the top to bottom, they like make it like a family.
If they're gonna continue this for 50 years, they must be a pillar of the community, otherwise they wouldn't still be around. But the fact that they've had this testament of time really shows the dedication of the people who work there, the people who run it, and the people who participate in what they do.
I think of the community center in many ways as a center of opportunity.
It's not McLean, and it's not even center. It's community, and that is as essential as air, water. We need connection.
There are a lot of traditions, things that every year you can look forward to, whether it's McLean Day in May.
That all in one place, it's truly one place to come to.
It's really cool walking into the building each day and seeing the wide, diverse group of people who utilize this space. It's really warming to see, kids as young as 6, and then some babies with their parents, and then you have the senior citizens coming for cooking class.
It has a small town feel with the resources of like a big city.
The things that we offer today are very different than what was offered 50 years ago, and will probably be very different than what's offered in 50 years. But that role of connection and that role of being that resource to the community, I think if that continues, we will always be vibrant and always be important in this community.